Welcome guys, so today I am with Redmi Buds for Lite and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them to your laptop, to the Windows 11 or Windows 10. It looks very similar on the both operation system. So the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. Next, you can simply open the case and you have to remove both earbuds from the case. Right now you have to go on your laptop right here for this bar and open the start and simply go for the settings. Next we have to go for this left panel, go for the Bluetooth and devices, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and select below button add device. Select Bluetooth. Right now just wait. There it is, Redmi Buds for Lite, so we have to select them, click on them once, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.